Biore Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. You've probably heard of these, right? This is the Japanese packaging for the classic version because I live in Japan. These little peel-off sheets make blackhead removal weirdly satisfying. They're from Kao's Biore line, known for simple, affordable solutions that deliver visible results fast. And Biore, that's the Japanese jingle. So how do they work? Well, basically you wet your nose, you stick on one of these strips. I'll just open one up for you here. There you go. You take this off, you put it on your wet nose, and then you wait about 10-15 minutes until it dries up firm on your nose like papier-mâché. And then the fun part is you slowly peel it off. And voila, pores look clearer, and you literally see oil, grime, and sebum stuck to the strip. However, to be honest, I get best results when I wet this strip, like I'll just put it under water, and I put it on my dry nose. And I don't know, it's the same thing, as long as you're putting some water on it to get it all moisted onto your nose. So what makes this stand out is the adhesive magnet-like action. The strip's designed to bind to blackheads and build up rather than your skin, so you get visible results with one quick treatment. But be careful, these are a temporary fix and not a cure-all. Dermatologists note that pore strips pull surface gunk and can make your pores appear smoother right away, but the underlying oil and what causes blackheads will come back, so it's best to use these sparingly. They're perfect for when you want an instant cleanup before an event or a selfie moment. Just follow the instructions carefully, make sure that it's all wet at first, don't use them too often, and peel off slowly, and you'll enjoy that clean look without feeling irritation. And they do come in other versions too. There's a charcoal one. There's like these triangle ones that you put on your forehead. Very effective. I've been using these for years. Hope they work for you too.